When are you going to tell me that I'm cursed? Is it true?
It is.
My aunt said it was an evil fairy. I can't remember her name. They said it was
Maleficent.
very evil.